If you have a right angle corner clamp like this one, or have seen videos about corner clamps, you will notice that they all have one thing in common. They need clamps. For each corner clamp, you need at least 2 clamps. But clamps are expensive, and that's why I only have a few of them in my workshop. With the corner clamp I will make in this video, clamps are no longer needed. So in this video, you'll find out how to make this jig just like I made it, and you will also see what improvements I made after the first test. So let me show you how I built it. As I expected, this clamp works very well. The more twist I will give the rubber band, the harder the clamp will contract. But building this clamp is not over yet. After a first test, I noticed that using this jig is rather inconvenient, or I might just be clumsy. So I've tweaked a few things, and this is how I did it. So now you know how to build this corner clamp. Go to my website to download the free plans and check out this playlist to see more similar videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.